Thank you for tuning in to SS Overlanding. We've refitted the inside of the Hilux. First things first, the water tank. We've actually used the wood frames that we used in the Great Wall Steed. If you look back at some of our other videos, you'll see how we built that in more detail, but the wooden structure was perfectly fine. The dimensions were slightly different in the Hilux, so a few modifications, but otherwise this shelving system works fine. Installing the water tank behind the shelves. So here are all the shelves sort of secured into their new position. Tricky to reach areas in some spaces, trying to secure all the bits at the back. Here's the space at the side of the shelves ready for the battery compartment. This will all be boxed in, so the batteries and wires will be encased in their own section. Here we're just making a new switch panel cover to fit the new space. All the switches and the wiring in place, ready to be attached to the wiring on the truck. All the wires being connected. We're wiring the fridge directly into the switch panel this time. Obviously the lights are wired in here on the switch, and now the water tank has a pump, so the water pump is also here in the switchboard. Switchboard also has USB chargers, charging points, and 12-volt charging points as well. So the switch is now wired to the battery.
Running at 12.4.
Now it's time to test all the electronics, make sure it all works. And now just testing all the electrics, make sure everything works okay.
So we set it at -5. It's 20 degrees at the minute.
Here's Tula patiently waiting for us. She loves to sit in the truck while we work on it. And so here it is, all the shelves in place and ready to go. Just do a quick walk round. So there you have it, just do a quick recap. So we have the fridge, the water tank with a water pump and a new tap, all the lights inside the canopy, the There's now a gas cylinder already in place and secured. So it's all done and ready to roll. So if you like what you see, please remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you soon.